Hello dear, my name is Andrew of GenoaMarketingSolution.com. Welcome to my Rich Riser review. Rich Riser is a software that unlocks free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. If you are interested in this software, please stick with me as I take you to the bonuses. Get Rich Riser now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, 35 plus bonuses to use in your promotions prompts. Bonuses number 2, make pro review videos using launch jackers. Bonuses number 3, learn how to do proper email marketing. Bonuses number 4, access Enigma first 12 hours only. Bonuses number 5, all vendor bonuses. Click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. These are all vendor bonuses. It says when you order Rich Riser today, you will get 1,000 in special bonuses. Bonuses number 1, earn 1,000 a day using Google simple 6-step formula that make money without any investment. Bonuses number 2, simple 4-step secret formula to make $10K per month. The new online business blueprint with step-by-step walkthrough. Bonus number 3, beginner's guide, how to build a website with WordPress from scratch. Learn how to write an article writing software, web hosting services. Bonuses number 4, launch jacking, full-time bank with part-time affiliate strategy. The cost of all these benefits is $997. But you won't pay $997, nor even $197. If you act now, you will get it all for just a tiny one-time fee. Click the button now, click here, and you get it very low amount of money. Go into the members area. Now, in the members area, there's a module, do it for you service. Here, you have to work on the module, learn all that it takes. The introduction, if I click here, the software engineer who is here now will start speaking, telling you on all that you need to know to be able to get the software and use it properly and make money out of it. Then this is another module session number 2. Say method overview and resources. If I click it, they will all appear here and they will start speaking. Then session number 3, we have lesson number 4, finding offer with free trial trick included. Lesson number 5, make tutorial video blueprint included. Lesson number 6, find easy to rank keyword, reveal inside. Lesson number 7, framework to pursue traffic quickly. Lesson number 8, secure top rank permanently. Session number 4, case study. Session number 5, what next? Session number 6, take fun quiz. Session number 7, access bonuses. Beginner's guide, how to build a website with WordPress from scratch. This is all in the members area. Now, when you go to the video, it's going to teach you everything that you need to know concerning this software. It's a great software. Guys, I want you to know that as soon as you lay hand on this software, the sky will be the limit. Now you can go right here, Razor Pro, subcharge your Rich Riser accounts to make 1,000 more profit, more traffic, more sales and commissions. So this is a video here. When you click this video, it's going to give you all the details. Please click here to grab your copy today. Now, here, these bonuses, after 4 days, you will not get it on the same amount. So I will advise you to buy it now. Now let's go to the prices and upsell. For today, or because this is coming up tomorrow morning by 10 o'clock, if you buy it today or tomorrow, you will get it on this amount. But after 4 days, it will not be the same. So I will advise that you go ahead and buy it now. Now this front end is $17. Upgrade number 1 is $37. Upgrade number 2 is $147. Upgrade number 3 is $67. Upgrade number 4 is $597. Front end Rich Riser, $17. 17. Access the powerful Rich Riser software and training modules. Upsell number 1, Rich Riser Pro is $37 and downsell is $27. Advanced strategies to make your earnings 1,000 times faster with a little extra effort. Upsell number 2, done for you service is $147 and downsell is $97. We will do all the groundwork to find a good converting offer, easy to rank keywords, 250 words of article for your main keyword, optimized video, title, description, and tags. This groundwork reduces your headache and gets traffic and conversions for your audience if they purchase this. This saves them all the effort of doing the initial research themselves. Upsell number 3, double reseller rights, $67 and downsell is $47. See Rich Riser is as own product and keep the commissions across the entire funnel, as well as our previous product stack sales comes with a guaranteed approval to promote ideal of newbies. Upsell number 4, one-on-one Skype coaching for a month for $547 and $597 respectively. Your client will receive 2 to 3 Skype coaching sessions with us and have email and Facebook support for a full month where we will help them with anything regarding their internet marketing. Dear reader, Nagu here, and this is Kevin. I am proud to welcome you all along with my business partner Kevin McNahan. My partner Kevin has managed his own business since 1992 and has seen the movement of commerce from brick and mortar to an online business presence. It has been a systematic shift with so much to learn, but worth every penny and time spent. Now we are on the cutting edge of marketing and sales online, doing 10 times sales with half. Now, here is him when he started earlier. He said, I started my career in internet business by writing articles on my blog. And my article got top rank on Google, and I started to earn through AdSense. Keep in mind, I knew nothing about SEO at that time. So these are all the informations. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. This is a 100 newbie friendly method. I will show you the exact method I use to earn 385 plus recurring from affiliate marketing on YouTube and Google. Learn how to find high converting affiliate offer on Google. Learn how to rank video in YouTube and Google to get more free traffic. You don't need to show your face on camera. You don't need to host a new website or an email list. Free traffic, no paid ad. Work today and earn reward for them forever. Watch the demo video of Rich Razor below, which is this one. Click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And all these bonuses are yours as you purchase this great software. Thank you for watching my review, and I will see you in the next video.